Hi everyone, it's Mrs Woolard here to talk you through your next home learning booklet on crime and punishment through time. So, if you have a look at the screen, you can see we've finished our work now on Anglo-Saxons and we're now moving on to Normans. What you're going to be doing in your booklet this week is covering all four aspects of crime, punishment, law enforcement and trials, and making comparisons with the same things in the Anglo-Saxon period. Now, in order to be able to do that, I want to introduce you to four key concepts that you're going to have to address. And those are change, continuity, difference and similarity. So, for change, I want you to see if you can find any new laws, any new punishments and new trials. For continuity, I want you to see what stayed the same. So the old trials, the old laws and the old punishments. And to go along with that, we're going to have a look at the differences. What's different about the new trials or the new laws? And why do you think they're different? And the same question in terms of similarity. What's the same about the two periods in time? And why do you think they've stayed the same? So, you're going to do some independent research. There are four areas on the screen there you can see that I'd like you to find out about, and the clues in the heading, they're all changes. They're all new things that happen in the Norman period. So I'd like you to do some research on the murder and fine, the feudal system, the forest laws and something called benefit of clergy. And when you've done that, then you'll be able to move on to an exam style question at the end of the booklet. Now, the exam style question is here on the screen. It says, explain one way in which Saxon punishments of major crimes were similar to Norman punishments of major crimes. And this is a 4-mark question on the crime and punishment paper. You'll see that I've highlighted some of the key words and it's important that you do the same. So first of all, I've underlined one way. You don't need to write any more than one to get 4 marks. Secondly, I've underlined the word punishments. Please don't write about crimes. Please don't write about trials or law enforcement or you won't get the marks. And finally, I've highlighted the word similar. So for this question, you need to say in what ways they're the same rather than focusing on the differences. And on the other side of the screen, you can see the structure for answering that question, and it's a really simple 3 sentences. Sentence 1, explain one way that the punishments are similar. And then sentences 2 and 3 just require you to give some specific examples from the two periods. So in this case, from the Anglo-Saxon period and from the Norman period. So I'd like you to have a go at that question at the end of the booklet and we'll have a look at your answers next week. So thanks very much and see you later.